Jamaican shore fishing at you again here, people. Yep. Part 3, lure fishing. This is what's up. We out here today. I'm actually out on another little ends. You guys can see that pretty good there. But guys, yeah, beautiful, beautiful glassy water. We're gonna drop this camera on, see if we can get some, pick up something in this water this morning. We're gonna walk this whole shore here, people. Check it out. I'm gonna slap my camera on the head here like usual. Get those footage, guys. I got my light series. Water's looking really good here, guys. Let's see if we can get out here and get some real good footage and pick up a nice jack or something in the water. Let's see what's up. Who knows what we might get. Let's see what we can get, guys. Bam, that's a nice drop. Look at that. That's all what it's all about, people, is getting some footage for you guys. Yeah, man. That spoon is working really nice. I love the way the action of the spoon works, peoples. It gives me that glittery, and then you'll get that jack hit when you reel it in quick. You don't know what's in the water, peoples. See what you can pick up here on this beautiful water here, peoples. Yep, this is what it's all about. Jamaican shore fishing, peoples. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. Waiting for that hit, peoples. That's what's up. I don't see nothing yet. Let's walk that side and see. All right, peoples. Woo! I did see something jump there, people. You seen that? Ooh, I got a jack! Ooh! Ooh, Jackie! I see the jack. Jack hitting it. I got hit. I got a hit a while ago, people. Jack hit. Wow, that was a nice hit, people. That was a real good hit. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. Let's get that in, peoples. Ooh, you see the jack run down, people? All right, let's get them out there. There's some jackfish playing around here, peoples. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. I got a nice hit a while ago, people, some jack. Uh-oh. I'll draw a short. Ooh, another hit. See, peoples, keep on getting these superb hits from these jacks. My adrenaline is like pumping right now. Let me see what it's all about. Yep, let's see what's up, peoples. I always get these hits. Go back to the left. I'm getting action here, but let's go. Long distance action. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000. Getting some decent follows on it, people. I got some small jack, hit it a while ago. Not what I expected. Ooh, the bait fish is right here. Oh, baitfish school, that's why. Oh, whole bunch of baitfish right here, peoples, if you look. That's why the jacks are around. Hitting. Yeah, peoples. Let's walk the coast. See what's up. Ooh, I got that nice jack hit a while ago, people. I ain't getting nothing else since. Let's see what's up. They was out there. I just didn't feel like playing with those little fish any further. I mean, I just want to pick up something nice, decent size here. Give me a good little run so I can get some footage for you guys. That's what it's all about, peoples. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing. Ooh, look at that stingray coming at me. I would hate to hook that bad boy on this light line now. You see him? There you go, people. Big old stingray in the water swimming by. Hope I don't snag him. Oh, I got a long jaw. Long jaw running the line down. Yeah. Let's see what's up, people. Uh-huh. See if I can grab something nice here for you guys today. That'll be nice. I catch me a nice 2 to 3 pound jack. Yes, I. And I feel nice and I'm on tonight. I see it, peoples. Come on. All right, peoples. I'm not getting anything on this. Come on, buddy. Another stingray, eagle ray looks like. Oh, that's why I'm not getting the hits. Lure's tangled up in the line. Yeah, when these eagle rays are around, people, it's kind of hard for you to get hits because they hunt just like you are. So what we're basically trying to do here is pick up a bite. Got something, peoples. Ooh, got something, peoples. Ooh, ooh, yes, peoples. Another Bara. Look at that. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing. Another one this morning, peoples. Yeah, this is what's up. That was a good hit. That's what's up, peoples. Yes, peoples. Yes, peoples. Jamaican shore fishing at you. Just held something a while ago. Just got a Bara. Let's get this hook out of his mouth. Get him on the shore. Oh, get up there. Don't need my pliers now. He came off. Bara, people. Jamaican shore fishing. That's what's up. You guys out there hunting this morning, peoples. 1002, 1003. Yes, peoples. That was a nice little Bara catch this morning. Anyway, it felt like almost a pound. Let him rest there for now. Let's see what's up.